Okay, we're at step 6, where we actually uh, move the uh, the masses. I've got again, I'm not putting one at the 0. I've just got it at this uh, uh, 0.8 centimeters, 0.008 meters, 8 millimeters if you want. And I've got the other one. So it's 100 at 0.08 and it's 100 at 60. And let's see if we can find the about where the center of mass is. And it's about, I'm going to say 35. So let's put this at 35 and see if that works. 35. It's a little heavy on this side, so and that looks pretty good. And the center is at, I'm going to call it 34.8. I'm going to write that down, 34.8. Oops, wrong area. 34.8. Okay, now let's move this. Let's take this off and move this to 70. And let's find looks like it's about 39. Let's check it out. Still need to go over in this direction. And that looks pretty balanced. So with this 100 at 0.08 centimeters and this one at 70, this is at 38.7. 38.7. Let me write that down. 38.7. Now we move this to 80. And let's find the I got about 42.5. And that looks pretty good. And that is at 42.5. 42.5. Now we move this, let's take this off, we move this to 90. Looks like 46.7. Leaning a little to this side, right? That looks pretty good. And we will call it $46.5. Okay. And I think that's it for that step.